Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, and I'm currently filming another video simultaneously because I have a few videos where I'm going to be featuring stuff and I need that to get approved, so it's going to be a little awkward today. But I do plan on getting a lot of stuff done, so hopefully I'll be able to do all of that. We'll see. Again, shooting for the stars and hoping to land on the moon. But if I do manage to get everything that I want to get done today, that will include getting Vlogmas Day 2 posted, and it'll also include me being able to grab my tree that I bought from the place, which I'll take you to. I purchased this tree from a store called Michael's. I don't know if you have a Michael's in the United States, but it's like a craft store, and they were having an insane Black Friday sale, so I scooped it up. It was like 40% off, and it's the style that I want, like a pencil style of tree, and it's 7 feet tall, which I think will be a good height for this space here. A few concerns. From what I've experienced about Christmas trees, they're usually kind of heavy, especially the pre-lit ones, which is the tree that I got. So hopefully it's not going to be too big of a struggle for me to, first of all, get that into my car, and then second of all, get that into my condo. But these are the kinds of things, the kind of troubleshooting stuff that I have to now figure out now that I'm by myself and living alone. I am up for that challenge, and that's the important thing, is to just keep trying and keep moving forward. Jiggy, aren't you proud of me for getting stuff done? Jiggy? So the Michael's is right next to a Winners, which is one of my favorite stores ever because you can get everything at Winners. And they have the best Christmas stuff here too, and it's cute Christmas stuff, not generic Christmas stuff. So you could really tailor your decor to whatever type of personality that you have. They really do have every kind of gift wrapping paper, every kind of gift tag that will match your personality, your color scheme. But I gotta say, shopping alone was weird. As much as I like to say that I'm independent and strong and all of that, I did feel just a little weird doing this by myself. Navigating the holidays as a divorcee is an experience I never thought that I would be having. But I guess now that I'm here in Canada, I'm gonna have to start doing it somehow. And so far, I think I'm doing an okay job. At Michael's, even though they had a lot of their Christmas stuff on sale, the decorations just were not to my taste. I wanted something a little more understated, a little bit more on the silver gold side, and while they did have silver decorations and some gold decorations, they also had a color in there that I wasn't too fond of. So instead of buying decorations from there, I decided to hold off and wait until I looked at the thrift stores because that's where I found some really good decorations last year. So I just got back, and as you can see from my wagon, it's full of Christmas decorations. And I'm not gonna show you what I do with those decorations in this vlog. You're gonna have to wait until the next one, and you'll see how I end up making this place into a little Christmas box in the sky. I do wanna visit the local thrift store for more stuff. I think those places are just a gold mine of Christmas decorations. So I'm gonna head there at some point soon and see what I can do with the stuff that's there. There are some incredible stuff that you might be able to find in thrift stores, so if you are wanting to do Christmas decorations, don't count those places out. The stuff that I bought today from Michael's, I did because they have a really big Christmas sale going on right now. I'm very excited for you to see this place all Christmased out. That is the video for today because I have to now edit the other video and get that up by tonight. It's already starting to get dark, but the sunset here is just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see the sunset? It's not as nice. Am I getting it? Am I getting it? Maybe I should just point towards it. There's the sunset. One of the things that I love about this condo is that I get both a sunset and a sunrise. Right now the sunrise is being blocked by a building, but there's a certain time of the year, I think the majority of the year, I'll be able to catch it going up this way. And the sunset is over there, and it's just so nice. I do feel so lucky to have found this place because I love living here so much. I truly think that things happen for a reason. So as hard as some giant life changes are, sometimes they happen because you are meant for better and bigger things. And I truly think that that's my story, at least so far. But I think a big part of me being able to cope with it so well is the fact that I have such an amazing platform, such an amazing audience, and I'm so glad that you guys have chosen to continue watching and supporting. And I hope that you are there for the next video. And I also hope that video is on time and on schedule. So until that next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome. And yeah, I'll see you over there. Bye guys.